My name is Stefan Musato. I'm the head of digital delivery in Dormakaba EMEA. I'm responsible to manage the team that develops cloud solutions.
I'm Robin. I'm a software engineer and focusing on distributed systems.
So our cloud development team in Switzerland is responsible to develop the first cloud access control solution called Exivo.
So as he mentioned, we are doing access control. That comes with a few challenges. One of them is security. One of them is scalability, since we have a fleet of many doors around the world, and therefore we have the need that it scales all over the world, firstly, with a lot of throughput. And then our second concern is security, since we're opening doors and we need to do that in a secure way. Our main concern was that back then to have the logs piped somewhere. So we needed a solution that was capable of handling firstly our throughput, since we expected quite a lot, and secondly that we can pipe it like via their API.
Wanted to focus the development on developing the solution and not developing and maintaining on the system operations level any additional tooling. I would say that Logz.io fitted, as I mentioned before, perfectly to the setup we want to have in our digital development, where we want to focus on our core competencies which are close to everything around the door, which includes access control and management of access and doors, but not build up competences in services like logging. This is where actually Logz.io is still a perfect fit, and in terms of what we see in the market, still is one of the best, if not the best offering for that service.
One of the production issue, like Logz.io's new feature really helped this cognitive insights you have, was actually quite common handy there, as in we had some 503 errors from our web server, and of course you have a lot of logs, and once they ramp up it's like sometimes hard to find them, and this cognitive insights immediately showed us like, oh hey, there is a 503 going on and you have a lot of them. So we were able to find them like in no time, and that was actually very great. Whenever we had a question, for example, we needed to visualize some stuff, find out which logs appear most, for example. You helped us in no time. You set up a meeting very quickly and showed us, hey, this is how it works. In seconds we had our visualizations ready and could analyze our logs much faster. So it's actually you guys providing the service. Of course the solution is great, but I think it's the people behind the solution that makes the company even better. If you need a solution that scales with you and you want to have no ops or not much ops in the end and don't want to host things yourself, you can go with Logz.io, which is still one of the most price-worthy solutions out there these days.